กุมชีบันตาบันกันมาบัดวันปันสะบุรมยากสงีคาจงกับฟลอเรนซ์ไนท์จังเกิลกับบลายอยากันน้ำกับบุรมกุมกับกมีจงกับนอร์ซิงมันตากสงีกับขัดอาร์ตริกบันไอจมังอาร์จาร์อาร์พอาร์นักเลี้ยงจงกับซิวิลฮอสพิทอลนองปอบัดกับเบธานีเอาท์ริชฮอสพิทอลนองปอกิลาร์เคยกันกับสงีกระปังบลาติบกุมกับอินเตอร์เนชั่นแนลนอร์เซสเดย์ยากับบลาปันลองหาคอนเฟอเรนซ์ฮอลซิวิลฮอสพิทอลนองปอบัดหาเบธานีฮอสพิทอลคอนเฟอเรนซ์ฮอลHaka ni Jingrakhe kerpang jongki nurse ha civil hospital Nongpoh la penipu iping ru dak Jingrakhe pedang sungbahan nagi samla pule jong GNM School of Nursing Nongpoh bat Iashad nagi staff nurse jong civil hospital Nongpoh. Haka Jingrakhe ha Bethany hospital pan la penipu iping dak Jingrakhe bat Iashad nagi staff nurse jong Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpoh bat haka ni ngila yo ru yak jingsam yaki khusnam sekinong job haka poster exhibition bat ka flowering competition. Haka ni kasengi haka Jingrakhe jong civil hospital Nongpoh lawan ban peniskan lang dai Dr. PN Khan ibadi medical superintendent civil hospital Nongpoh haka jingidon lang jong ikong L Doling ibadi vice principal GNM School of Nursing EEJ Mukim nursing superintendent of civil hospital Nongpoh ki samla pule jong GNM student school of nursing Nongpoh bat kiwe ki staff nurse jong civil hospital Nongpoh. Haka Jingrakhe ya kene kesengi kerpang jong kino Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpoh lawan ban pensengan dai kong Rebecca Kharsai Tiang, Dr. PK Swer, Dr. CM Poshna, Dr. Dirani bat kiwi staff nurse jong Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpoh.
So this is together, right? Yeah. Then this one. They would rather choose someone with low performance and high trust to be their leader. What does that mean? That means as nurses, you are someone who are going to lead. By leading, it means you are someone who everyone should trust. When I say trust, I don't mean someone who will not share secrets. That's not trust. I mean someone where the patients will trust you with their life, where the doctors will trust you with information, where each and every sector there's a factor of trust. That means what it means to be a leader. You can be a high performance person, you can work hard, but supposing you do not exudate that sense of trust, then that is not a voice to lead. And I think all of you all, I see Bethany Hospital with the best nurses, and I think that you all are all someone we trust.
And in the presence of the assembly, to practice my profession with dedication. I will serve mankind with love and compassion.
I will serve mankind with love and compassion,
Recognizing their dignity and rights, irrespective of color, religion and nationality. I will endeavor to maintain up-to-date knowledge and skill, and to uphold standard of nursing care.
The Nurses chooses a theme for International Nurses Day, celebrated on 12th May, the birthday of Florence Nightingale. For the past 5 years, we have celebrated the voice of nursing with the theme, Nurses, a Voice to Lead. In 2017, the role of the nursing voice in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals was discussed. In 2018, we looked at the human right to health. In 2019, we looked at the nursing voice from the standpoint of health for all. 2020 was designated as the year of the nurse and midwife by WHO to commemorate the 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale.